Welcome guys our Target Up Study channel. In this video we will cover topmost 20 MCQ related for mobile communication. You have already uploaded two videos related for advanced communication. First is OFC fiber optic cable and second is satellite communication. This video links I will be provided in description box. First question. The cellular system operates in the frequency range is option A 900 to 1000 megahertz, option B 1000 to 1100 megahertz, option C 800 to 900 megahertz, and option D none of these. The cellular system operating frequency range is 800 to 900 megahertz. The correct option is C. Second question. Cellular telephones use dash dash type of operation. Option A simplex, option B half duplex, option C full duplex, option D triplex. The cellular telephone use a full duplex communication system. There are three types of communication here: simplex communication, half duplex communication, and full duplex communication. What is the simplex communication? The simplex communication data transmit one direction only. Okay, for example TV, radio or FM. This is the example of simplex communication. Half duplex communication data transmit both direction but not at a time. For example walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie is a half duplex example, and full duplex is a telephone or mobile communication is a full duplex communication. Go to the next question. Dash dash provide the interface between each cell and main telephone office. Option A MTSO, option B BSNL, option C HLR, option D none. The correct option is A MTSO, mobile telephone switching office. A is the correct option. Next question. Transmitter and receiver channel frequency selected by option A calling subscriber, option B handset manufacturer, option C called subscriber, option D MTSO. Transmitter and receiver channel frequency selected by MTSO, mobile telephone switching office. The option D is correct. Go to the next question. The transmission of user from weaker call to the stronger call is called as dash dash. Option A transfer, option B migration, option C handoff, option D none. The correct option is C handoff. When the transmission of user from weaker call to the stronger call is called as handoff. The C is the correct option. Next question. A mobile station only communicate with one base station in a dash dash. Option A low handoff, option B soft handoff, option C hard handoff, option D backup. The correct option is C hard handoff. A mobile station only communicate with one base station in a hard handoff. C option is correct. Next question. In which one of the following codes with specific characteristics can be applied to the transmission? Option A CDMA, option B GPRS, option C GSM, option D all of the above. The correct option is A CDMA. Okay, what is the CDMA? CDMA, code division multiplexing access, is a type of multiplexing which allow various signals to occupy only transmission channels. It is usually optimized the use of the bandwidth in an efficient manner. Okay, code division multiplexing access techniques are used in telephone communication. Next question. In a cellular network, which of the following is used to use the same frequency for others? It is a very important question. Option A, frequency hopping. Option B, frequency reuse. Option C, frequency planning. Option D, none of the above. The correct option is B, frequency reuse. Okay. What is the frequency reuse? Frequency reusing is the concept of using the same radio frequencies within a given area that are separated by considerable distance with minimal interference to establish communication. The correct option is B. Go to the next question. Mobile computing allows transmission of data from one wireless enabled device to another. Option A, any device. Option B, wired device. Option C, one of the above. And option D, wireless enabled device. The correct option is D, wireless enabled device. Mobile computing allows transmission of data from one wireless enabled device to another wireless enabled device. D option is correct. Go to the next question. Which of the following is supported data rates of 4G networks? Option A, 1024 kbps, 1024 kbps. Option B, 100 mbps. Option C, 200 mbps. Option D, none of the above. The correct option is B, 100 mbps. 4G network to support data rate is 100 mbps. The rate of data transfer or speed of 4G network is approximately 100 mbps, which is 20 times faster than as compared to the 3G networks. The maximum speed of 4G network is about 300 mbps. The correct option is B. Go to the next question. Which subsystems are used in global system for mobile communication? Option A, base station subsystem. Option B, network switching subsystem. Option C, operational support subsystems. Option D, all of the above. The correct option is D, all of the above. There are three subsystems are used in global system. First is a mobile station, or is called a base station. Second, network switching subsystem, and operational support subsystem. Three systems to support global system for mobile GSM network. The correct option is D. Next question. BSC comes under which of the following category? Option A, operation. Option B, radio. Option C, network. Option D, mobile. Correct option is radio. What is the BSC? What is the full form of BSC? Base station controller. Okay. Base station controller is a type of network element that controls the observes a number of stations. It also provides an interface between the MS mobile switching center and cell sites. The BSC comes under the category of radio. The correct option is B. Next question. Dash dash is a basically divided into several time slot that are in the fixed patterns. Option A, CDMA. Option B, TDMA. Option C, FDMA. Option D, all of the above. The correct option is B, TDMA, time division multiplexing. Okay, the TDMA is a type of digital cellular telephone communication technology. It allows the user to use the same frequency without interference. The correct option is B. Next question. Hub duplex is a dash dash. Okay, I have to already discuss in the second question. Hub duplex, full duplex and simplex communication. Here to correct answer is A. It is a type of communication in one direction. Next question. How to use hexagon shape in cell phone communication? Option A, it use the maximum area for coverage. Option B, fewer number of cells are required. Option C, it approximate a circular radiation pattern. Option D, all of the above. The correct option is A, it uses the maximum area for coverage. The hexagon shape is used for radio coverage because the hexagon shape has equal distance anywhere and anywhere. Okay. Go to the next question. The frequency modulation for mobile communication systems which invented by, here to given scientist names. The correct option is C, Edwin Armstrong. Frequency modulation inverter is Edwin Armstrong. Go to the next question. Cellular radio contain a programmer read only memory chip is called. Option A, NAM. Option B, MAM. Option C, FAM. Option D, none of these. Cellular radio contain of programmable read only memory chip is called NAM. What is the full form of NAM? Number assessment module is the correct option. A is the correct option. Go to the next question. A cell contains dash dash. Option A, cell site. Option B, repeater. Option C, control computer. Option D, touchstone processor. The correct option is cell site. The option is correct. Go to the next question. Which digital cell phone system use spread spectrum? Option A, GSM. Option B, IS-95. Option C, IS-54. Option D, AMPS. The correct option is A, GSM. Last question. Receiver channel 22 is 870.66 megahertz. Then receive channel 23 is dash dash megahertz. The correct option is here to D. Here to receive channel 22 is frequency of 870.66 megahertz. Then receive channel 23. Here to number of channel 1 is increased to increase the frequency of 0.3. To add the first number 22 number channel frequency 870.66 to add 0.3 to answer of D 870.69 is the correct answer of 23 receive channel frequency. Please like and subscribe and press bell icon for upcoming new videos.